Hey guys, wanna know how to check your profit in MetaTrader 4? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your MetaTrader 4 application. And now, once you're there, make sure head towards this trade icon right here on the bottom. Now once you've done that, right under you can see this positions icon. This is basically your profit and loss. Now what else you can do is just simply click on this two arrows icon on the top right here, and then also sort it through profit that is located right here. Now this sorts it through your profit or loss right here. So for now currently I'm going on profit since I'm buying URJPY, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.